What do you want to know, Sam?
I want to know what the hell you're getting up to.
Whilst I was building the BMW, I was looking over at the old man's bench and seeing a number of different bikes going on and off the ramp. Today, I finally found the time to ask him.
What's going on?
Stuff. Don't look at that. Oh, you can look at that. It's a Harley. It's the first hardtail frame that's came out of our new jig. We built it 6-inch over on the back, kept the front stubby, nice Springer front end in it. All black, all black, all black, not the white, mint white frame. I've got another Harley on the go as well. That's came in for a full refurb. That's away now at paint and powder coat. I've got a Honda 600 on the go. Can I say about that?
Yeah, CBR 600 engine.
Yeah, engine, yeah, CBR 600 engine in a Saxon CB 750 frame, 1978 frame, twin shock, TT dash, calf racer dash something, mad, barking little engine thing that will be going on the ramp as soon as I finish this thing.
For now, it's all about the Harleys.
For now, it's all about the Harleys.
This is the first of the Harleys. Its name is Midnight. It's called the Midnight Edition because it's black. All black.
All black, all black, all black.
My dad has done a hardtail conversion to it on his new jig. Today, Midnight's frame has come back from powder coat. Nice battery box.
My mind's been drifting towards the end of days, but I can reel it back if you decide you want to stay.
Such a messy background and an all black chassis. I was finding it hard to capture the bike's stance on camera.
You can see it now. Hey. I'm not shot, am I?
Set up the music! Midnight's 5-speed 1200 Sportster engine is prepped, painted and ready to go in the chassis. We just need to find the strength to lift her in. When Midnight is finished, we're not going to get much time to look at her in the workshop, as it's a sales bike and it's funding a little secret project we are planning. You'll find out more about this in the next episode.
What have you done?
Midnight is going to be a very cool bobber. It's going to be sad to see this one go, but I guess I think that about all the bikes that leave this workshop. The second Harley Davidson is being built for a good friend. He bought this bike in a sorry state and has handed it over to us to rebuild. It's one crazy looking bit of kit, but needs some serious love. The deeper we got into this project, the more we found wrong with it. So we basically started from scratch, with new everything, from the wheel bearings, new hubs, new handmade aluminium tank, new wiring, fresh paint and powder coat, the full works. What is a bobber and what is a chopper? What is a bobber chopper? The bob job appeared in America in the 1920s. There's no sound on the footage from the 1920s. The Harley Davidson J series was aged. The owners took it upon themselves to modernise the appearance and improve the performance by removing the front fenders and shortening the rear fenders. Also removing all unneeded accessories. The motorcycles were lightened, cut down, and looked nuts. The key feature to making any bike look like a bobber is to modify the original frame to get a sweeping line from the headstock down to the rear axle. This lowers the seat, rises the bars, throws some skinny tyres on the bike, and you've got yourself a bobber. There's many small differences between bobbers and choppers. The main difference is the choppers always come with a fully customized frame instead of modifying the original. And choppers tend to go for looks and style over performance too. And then of course you can combine the two and build a bobber chopper. The choice is yours. I hope everything I just said made sense. Comment below on which style you prefer. Bobber or chopper? Or a bobber chopper? Which Harley do you prefer, Spike? Okay then.